Hey comic fans, Gene Malo here. Well, as promised, more books have come in. I still have 2 more books coming in from eBay, and after that I have some books that I bought at auction on Facebook, on an auction on Facebook. But today I got this, and this is these I won on Rob Fatstack's channel during OnlySlabs. So let's see what we got in here. Okay. Well, we got the customary Rob Fatstack's stickers. Love me some stickers. Oh, and I didn't have any of these. We got the comics curing cancer stickers. By the way, October 20th, 21st, and 22nd is the date of the event. We got the sticker to hold everything in place. And you see, comes off easily. You can even reuse the sticker afterwards. So, alright, let's see what we got here. Okay, so let's go. Away. Oops. I think he added a few. I think Rob added a few. So let's check these guys out first. Rob added a few. Ninja Gaiden #1. Cool cover. I'll have to find some bags and boards. And the other one is... Where are my glasses? The Secret World of Modern Banking, IT, Black Box Comics, #1. Thanks, Rob. We got the next Batman, #3. Oh, yeah, okay. This was the grail of the bunch. Thunder Strike, #1. Some foily goodness. And I checked on eBay. I think this is like a $50 book or more, actually. Yep, we got a square-bound book here. Detective Comics. I don't know what number it is there. I can't see. Even with my glasses, I can't read it, so you probably know in the chat anyways. Yeah, I got the Noctera #13. And we got the Conan the Barbarian #73. With some Pokemon cards, which I'll give to my neighbor because he collects those. And this one, I have no idea what this is, and I don't want to open it. But anyways, this one's one of the nicer covers. So when it's a virgin variant, I always keep them for the PC. So. Yeah, so those are the books. Thanks, Rob, for the extra books and Comics Curing Cancer stickers. Yeah, so like I said, I have 2 more books coming in from eBay, and then I'll be able to show all the books that I got on eBay. and the books that I'm waiting for the auction. So that's it for today. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to leave a comment. I always read my comments. I answer all the comments. And probably I'll see you I'll probably do more unboxings next week, or possibly later today. I know the last two, if they don't come by 3 o'clock, that means I'll get them next week. So anyways, Stan, we're glad you're back. Live long and prosper. I'll leave a link to Rob Fat Stacks channel, as well as a link to the Comics Curing Cancer link tree, so that you can get notification, turn on notifications for all the channels that are participating in the event. And we'll see you probably next week. So, as always, healing frequencies closed.